Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning those from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.